Guangdong Kinlong Precision Products Co., Limited, a wholly owned subsidiary of Guangdong Kinlong Hardware Products Co., Limited, is located in Zhongshan City, Guangdong Province. The national lock and bathroom production base. It can develop and produce 4 series of products including Kinlong brand lock and auxiliary hardware, bathroom hardware, integral shower room and Zernite brand tape. It can provide a full range of door hardware and bathroom hardware solutions for different sections such as residence, hotel, rail transit, shopping mall, airport, school, hospital and office building. We also actively participate in the preparation of many industry standards and the work of industry associations to help the healthy development of the industry. We will make unremitting efforts to build Kinlong Lock's bathroom hardware showroom and take products into influential and well-known products in China and even the world. Innovation is the power source of enterprise development. Only by innovation can we seize the opportunity and win the initiative in the fierce competition. Kinlong Precision has always paid attention to the investment of new product development, and the innovation ability has been greatly enhanced. The company's technology center has strong ID capability, technical service capability and detection capability. The ID personnel keep in mind the strong philosophy of only specialty and create unique value. Speculation has no future. According to the common needs of the market, to develop a series of new products applied to different scenarios every year continuously are putting power for rapid development of the enterprise. Many of these new products have won national invention patents, utility model patents or appearance patents. The company has also won honorary titles such as National High-Tech Enterprises, Zhongshan Engineering Technology Research Center, and Enterprises of Specialization, Refinement, Characteristics and Novelty in Guangdong Province. In order to ensure product quality, the company has invested heavily to establish a product laboratory, and its testing ability has reached the advanced level of the industry. All new products should be tested according to relevant standards before listing, including service life, mechanical indexes, appearance quality, corrosion resistance, other indexes. We have been pursuing the goal of providing customers with stable quality, cost-effective products. In order to meet the market demand, the company has applied for and obtained certification of domestic and foreign third-party testing or certification institutions, covering various certifications such as American Standard, European Standard, antibacterial, fire prevention, anti-theft and so on, so as to provide reliable guarantee for consumers' personal safety and property safety. In order to improve the production efficiency and product quality, the company has increased the pace of automatic transformation and realized automatic production and assembly through multiple processes, including automatic processing of lock cylinder parts, automatic assembly of finished products, automatic processing of lock body and hinge parts and components, CNC, processing of bathroom hardware, processing of shower room profile, automatic packaging, etc., forming automatic production capacity, which plays a key role in improving product quality. In the future, we will continue to accelerate the process of enterprise management informatization, production automation, and strive to build Kinlong Precision a benchmark enterprise among modern enterprises in the industry. As a professional RD and production enterprise of door lock hardware and bathroom industry, we will rely on exquisite professional knowledge and forward-looking vision of industry development, innovate and strive constantly to enhance the competitiveness of our enterprise. With the sales team, go to all lengths, unite in a concerted effort, expand the market, and let Kinlong Precision develop and grow. Huge opportunities and market space also at Kinlong Precision to brave the wind, the waves, launch a new voyage, and create new glorious